Uhoro uyu urekereirio ni minista wa urimi Peter Munya akiuga thirikari ni igite keheri-ini kigina gia kugathika mitambo ya kiriu ya guthia kahua ithei-ini cia kahua iria iguteithiriria kwambatiria gikiro gia kahua ga Kenya thoko-ini. Kahinda-ini orokau Munya ugite thirikari ni kuruguria mutambo wa kiriu wa guthimaga uritu wa kahua ga Kenya thoko-ini uria uriteithagiriria arimi kuheo ngombo na ihenya.
But the actual costs will be determined by next week, because we have engineers who are going around costing. We will be able to say the total cost. But our own general estimation shows that that's very little money. We will not be able to do all the factories. We thought with 1.5 million, which is money for training, money for infrastructure, money for inputs, we can only do an average of 1 or 2 factories for society.
Munya ninge ni ugite thirikari ni igutafania ithurano cia gutigirira arimi ni marugamirirwo weru thiini wa uramati wa kambuni ya arimi ya kahua ya KPCU iri ta njira ya kurehe waragania. Ihinda-ini riu Munya ugite thirikari ni kwarira mitaratara mirumu ya thuguri ya kahua niguo kweheria turianime aria makoretwo makihaca arimi na kumaturia ukiini munene.
In this sector, the farmer is the key. So let the farmer make decisions of what he wants with his coffee, because it is his coffee. But we are providing options. So UKPCU is another option for the farmer, so that we bring competition in the sector. We don't want a monopolized sector. We want a sector that is vibrant, that has all players participating, including UKPCU. Then they compete so that farmers get the best.
Kahinda-ini orokau ningi Munya ugite iri ta njira ya kugitira kahua ka arimi kumana na uici thirikari ni itanyite gwikira ing'ora cia kiriu ithei-ini cia kahua guothe bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Nyeri, njitagwo Wahu wa Ngugi.